Hey guys, Gadget Junkie here. In this video, I'm featuring these Grapnex corner trowels that were sent over to me to showcase for you guys. In this video, I'm going to do a quick unboxing for you guys, give you a close-up look at these trowels so that you can determine if these are right for you. Stand by. All right, guys, so these here come packaged up in a pretty basic box. When you open them up, you got your two trowels inside. Nothing fancy there. The trowels themselves are made out of stainless steel. It's been bent to shape. Got some welds on the outside there to hold the handle in. The handle is rubberized, so even if your hands are wet or you got mud or stucco or whatever on it, you're going to get a good grip on it. One of these here is for an inside corner, so this one here has the handle welded to the inside for your inside corners. This one here has the handle welded to the outside. This here is going to be for your outside corners. It's made out of a stainless steel material. They got a decent amount of flex in there so that you can conform to the shape of your corners. It's got a hole here for hanging here on a hook or whatever. So, nicely made corner trowels here, guys. If you guys are looking for a set for your jobs, I highly recommend these Grapnex. Hope this helps.